Where?
It goes near cement.
Cement.
So it goes to a cement factory, and then it stops.
Well, this is a pretty
Then
boring
we
train,
can't
Jay.
find
All the
them.
cars are the same.
What?
This is a pretty boring train. All the cars are exactly the same.
Yes, but there's more cars behind.
There are so many
We're gonna move
cars. This is like the big, long train. They must be busy again, Jay. Uh-oh,
Yes.
I feel bad.
just the way I thought it was.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, sorry. You can go around me. You want to go around me? You can go around me if you want. I got a little tight here. Wow, look how long this train is. It's
I
crazy.
saw it.
Oh, all right, here comes some colorful cars. Wow, look at this. Me neither. I think that's like a...
Now the same more box cars. You only have one different car. Just one.
It's pretty cool.
This is silver. Here we go, done.
It's awesome.
Not yet.
Wow, I mean this train,
Bullseye.
one half of the train's on this side of town and the other half of the train's on the other side of town. That's how long it is.
Let's go.
All right, we have to go to the